Hi there. Today I'd like to show you a mind mapping tool called Mindomo. Mindomo is very similar to MindMeister. What's really cool, just like MindMeister, with Mindomo, I can log in with my Google Apps for Ed account, so my students don't need an additional login. They'll simply press login. Once they do that, the login screen will come up where you could log in with a Mindomo username and password. We don't want to do that. We're just going to click this Google button right here. Once I press the Google button, I should be asked for my Google Drive or Google Apps for Ed username, which is my @pequotvalley.net, email, and password. Then I get into the Mindomo dashboard. Very similar to the MindMeister dashboard, I'm allowed 3 maps for free on Mindomo. So I've created 3 here, and I'd like to dive into the test map at the top to show you what you'll see. So on a student iPad, you'll be asked, do you want to open this in the native app or continue with the browser version? They'll just press continue with the browser version. If you're on a laptop, in your browser, you won't be asked this because there is no native app for it for a laptop. So we'll just hit continue with the browser version. And then from there on, everything is the same. So in Mindomo, my toolbar is on the left-hand side, whereas on MindMeister, it was on the right-hand side. So I've added a couple of vocabulary terms here just by simply pressing the little plus button at the very top of the screen here to add a topic. And I can just tap back inside of those boxes to go ahead and change the text that's in there. So turkey is a bird with feathers. Since this is Thanksgiving time, we got to think about that turkey as being delicious. I'm going to add another note by pressing the plus sign again. And this time I added it off of the last place that I was typing, so it went off of my definition. If I wanted to move that, I can go ahead and move it by tapping, holding, and dragging it back over to the middle term if that's where I'd like it. I don't want this to be a text-only mind map. I'm going to add some pictures. So I'm going to press these little mountains to add a picture. And on Mindomo, I can, for free, unlimitedly, search Google. So I'm going to tap the little Google there, and I'm going to type in the search feature turkey. Mindomo will bring up some search results for turkey. I'll find a picture that I like, because these are already filtered by copyright, so these are all free for you to use. I'll tap the one that I like. Once I do that, Mindomo should load my picture, and I see my picture of the turkey. I can delete out of there that word subtopic, and it'll just be the picture alone. So that's how I can add a picture on Mindomo. I can also add other things like links, like emojis if I need to do something like that. I have a notes feature here, so I can do a little pre-planning. I can even have a chat within this Mindomo collaborative mind map. So Mindomo is a great alternative that has all the same really cool features of MindMeister. Just now I'm actually able to add those images since MindMeister has taken that feature away for free, unfortunately. I really appreciate your flexibility with using Mindomo as opposed to MindMeister, since MindMeister decided to take away the free feature of being able to add in pictures in your mind map. I apologize that they made that change. It wasn't something that I was aware that they were going to do, otherwise I wouldn't have shown it to you. So again, Mindomo.com is where you can head to make free mind maps that do have pictures included. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching.